How to recover Snapchat streak without paying. So if you want to recover your Snapchat streak without paying, then what you need to do is first open up your Snapchat application. And let me tell you one thing, that you can't do this regularly. If you have lost multiple streaks, this method will likely only work with one contact, and there's a specific time window of 24 hours within which you can recover your lost streak. After that, you won't be able to do it. So you just need to simply go with the streak that you would like to recover. Here, you will have the restore option on the right. So what you need to do is to recover or to restore the streak, you just need to simply tap on the restore option. Just go with restore. Once you tap on restore, now here it says that you have 5 free restores available. So once you're done with restoring 5 contacts or 5 persons, then you won't be able to restore your snap streak. So if you want to restore, simply tap on restore, which is on the bottom, and that's it. That's how you can recover your Snapchat streak without paying. You will have 5 restores. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.